We're here as Bright Green 2 and Bright Pink 2 arrive onto the site of the vehicle maintenance facility. They have traveled over 3,000 miles across 10 states over 13 days, all the way from Sacramento, California, to arrive here in Orlando. These two train sets are among the 5 new train sets that are arriving here in Central Florida. Bright Green 2 and Bright Pink 2, like our entire fleet, are built with a consumer focus. As you can see, they're modern, they are eco-friendly, and inside they're equipped with conveniences like Wi-Fi and plug-in connections at every seat. The goal is to make for a seamless, comfortable ride for passengers.
So the VMF is actually built out to store 7 train sets. Each train set consists of 2 locomotives and 4 coach cars. Honestly, to have the additional 2 trains delivered to the VMF is nothing short of fulfilling. To go from a swamp to this beautifully built site, 62 acres, 6 tracks, to begin to move in and use the site for its design, it's an exciting moment for all of us.
This is a huge accomplishment for our teams and an incredible step forward as we connect Central and South Florida with high-speed passenger rail.